Hello from the La Crosse National Weather Service, providing a briefing on a potential winter storm that will be impacting the region later this week. Yes, we will be returning to winter Thursday night into Friday night with some heavy snow forecast across especially parts of northwest, north central Iowa, across a big chunk of Minnesota into northwest Wisconsin especially. Our particular area will be right on the edge between heavy snow to the northwest and little to no snow to the southeast. Exactly where that heaviest snow band will set up is the big question. Now right now we do have winter storm watches that run from parts of north central, northwest Wisconsin back through the southern half of Minnesota into parts of Iowa, with the prediction of potentially 4 to 8 inches of snow in our area, with locally heavier amounts to the northwest. There could be some blowing and drifting snow, especially on the backside of this storm, and that will lead to slippery snow covered roads on late Thursday night into much of Friday. As far as the risk level of different types of weather, again, the heavy snow will be the major impact, especially over parts of Minnesota into northwest Wisconsin. Very little impact expected from any freezing rain or icing or sleet. There could be some blowing and drifting snow, especially in open country and on ridge tops later in the storm. And the overall confidence on where that heavy snow band will set up is on the lower end right now. We do urge you to keep checking for updates. So again, the timing Thursday night through Friday night, and confidence is pretty high to moderate on that timing. Snowfall amounts in that 4 to 8 inch range. Again, mainly parts of Minnesota into northwest Wisconsin. This will be a wet snow. Winds on the backside of the storm could pick up out of the northwest and gust into the 25 to 35 miles per hour range Friday night into Saturday. As far as expected impacts, low visibility due to the falling snow. We could see snowfall rates of 1 inch per hour or heavier at times. Some blowing and drifting snow, again later in the storm. Snow and slush covered roads in many areas, and this could impact Friday morning commute. So once again, we expect further updates over the next couple of days. Right now, winter storm watches are in effect for parts of the area. Please check again for the latest forecast, and if you have travel plans later in the week, early part of the weekend, we certainly urge you to check ahead.